All right, finding the perfect Valentine's Day gift can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, except the haystack is filled with stuffed bears and heart-shaped balloons and stuff.
But what if we told you there's a way you can make your gift as unique as your love story in a matter of minutes?
It is true. Daisy is live to show us how to make Valentine's Day truly unforgettable. Hey, Daisy.
Hey there, guys. Yes, we are talking jewelry here, but not anything that you could just buy at the store. This is one of a kind, really unique pieces. We're here at Neighborhood 91, and this place offers a lot of 3D printing, which is appropriate because we are talking specifically about 3D printing jewelry with the future of jewelry. We have Casey here and Janine Melvin. They are sisters who created this awesome, product, really. And explain to us, even how this came about.
Yeah, absolutely. So the Future of Jewelry is a design-it-yourself custom jewelry brand, and we specialize in custom pendants and signet rings. And what we're really for is our pendant customization platform. So that turns everyone into their own jewelry designer.
And I know that I actually had the chance to try this too. This is actually really simple. And all you do is you could go ahead and show us. All you do is you have a program on here, and it really is super easy to be able to design your own item.
Yeah, and one of my favorite things is always seeing a customer's new piece and what they created with their jewelry. For example, we'll have monograms reused, handwriting from the ones who have been lost. It's really special. You commemorate the good times and the ones you love and make something special for you. So even you have so many options. We have shapes to go through. We can give you borders to pick. You can even scale it, choose your precious metal or silver. There's really so many options. We gave you that freedom to really make a piece you're going to love.
Yeah, and there's so many pieces here that are just great examples. I even love this now this is resin though. This is something that you can show a customer just to give them an idea of what it would look like.
We offer a resin option for those who don't know their ring size or want to see the piece before they put it into precious metal. Or if you're late for a gift, you can order the resin ring and your wife won't be mad at you for missing it. So there's a lot of great options. The resin ring, we offer a $25 discount, PTL 25, if you would like to test out the resin yourself.
Yeah, and this behind us is super cool because this is how it's actually done. We have Jake here, and Jake, I know that there's so many of these in different processes, I guess, right, Casey?
Yeah, absolutely. So once the customer checks out and has their design just right, a 3D file is generated on our back end using our platform. So Jake here will take that 3D file and load it into the 3D printer. And what he's loading right now is called the build plate. So he will build a build plate using the 3D printer software. And then as you can see, the build plate is lowering into that liquid vat of resin. And in the bottom of the 3D printer, there's a light source, an energy source, which will cure each layer by layer and build the 3D printed pendant.
Yeah, this is so cool because this is showing, kind of the beginning process. This is already going into,
Absolutely.
And then we even have a few here that kind of just show.
Yep. Here's the build plate, how it'll look when the print is done. So you can see that there's supports keeping the pendant on the build plate, and then we load that into the UV light. So it's going to go into a curing process, and then we'll deburr it and polish it up. One of the great features that I really love is the resin option. So we have for just $25, you can get a resin printed pendant and see it in real life before you lock in on a precious metal piece.
Yeah, and I think this was really cool how you said too, if you happen to lose it, you guys have the option of, redoing it. And this is so amazing because I had to get one too. This one says Daisy and Perry with our logo, and then on the back are the coordinates of where we got married in La Jolla. So the imagination, can go, wow, the possibilities are endless. This literally is the future of jewelry, and what a great way to honor somebody you love or give them a special something for Valentine's Day. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you so much.
Daisy, yeah, PTL hearts for everybody.
Yes.
I love that.
I love it so much.
And I love seeing the process there.
I know, I
like
was
the
really
beginning of
into
it.
this. Is like
Right.
fascinating.
Well, yeah, you couldn't see it at home, but like Katie was like all the way up at the monitor, like watching, like, what are they doing now?
I was napping, but it was like really satisfying,
Oh,
the
it's
nap
interesting.
factor to see how they put that together.
Yeah.
So to learn more about creating your own custom piece with Future of Jewelry, head to our website, pittsburghtodaylive.com. We have the link for you there.